Hello students, today I will discuss about the first law of thermodynamics in a subject of thermodynamics semester 3rd. What is the thermodynamics? It is earlier discussed. It is a branch of physics concerned with the heat and temperature and their relation to the energy and work. In particular, it describes how thermal energy is converted to and from other form of energy, how it affected matter. This is the main theme of the thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics also states that the amount of heat given to the system is equal to the sum increase in the internal energy of the system and the external work done. This is the main theme of the first law of thermodynamics, in which the when the heat is supplied to a system, some part of the heat is converted into the work done, and some part of the heat is utilized into the increase of internal energy. The first law of thermodynamics, that is describing in the figure, that is the energy transformation, energy before and after the working condition, energy after here, that is a processing process. Thermodynamic system, a thermodynamic system is a material and the radiative content, a microscopic volume in a space that can be adequately described by the thermodynamic state variable such as the temperature, entropy, internal energy and the pressure. These are the thermodynamic system. There are three types of the system earlier discussed in the classes: open system, closed system and the isolated system. Statement of the first law of thermodynamics, that is the conservation of the energy. फर्स्ट इज द कि एनर्जी को कंजर्व किया जाता है. सेकंड इज द एनर्जी कैन नाइदर बी क्रिएटेड नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय बट इट कैन बी चेंज फ्रॉम one form to another form. Total amount of the energy in a closed system remains the constant. This is the statement of the first law of the thermodynamics. Description with the formula: heat oblique work formula, delta U is equal to Q minus of W, delta U is equal to delta Q minus of the PdV, where the PdV is equal to the work done. That is the main theme of the heat and work formula. So that's why the heat is supplied in a system, that is a summation of the work done plus of the change of the internal energy. What is the significance of thermodynamics? The total amount of energy in this world is a constant. It is impossible to get more energy out of a system that is put into the. You cannot get energy from the nothing. If you want to energy, if you put an energy, then you will get energy in another form. That is, the application can be used to find the latent heat of the vaporization. That is the main application of the thermodynamics. It is used to calculate the quantity to raise the temperature of an ideal gas. Whenever the heat is supplied to the temperature, particular initial temperature, after some time the temperature of an ideal gas will be increased. What are the limitations of the first law? First law limitation: first law does not help to predict whether the certain process is possible or not. It not showing the any direction, it not showing any certain direction. Reason: it does not specify that the heat cannot flow from low temperature body to a high temperature body. Because of, if we want to heat deliver from the low temperature to high temperature, it does not automatically happening. It will be done by the some external force when the heat is going from the low temperature form to high temperature side. Another limitation: the first law does not give information about the direction. This gives not any direction where the heat is flowing from the hot to cold or cold to hot. For example, it puts no restriction on the direction of the flow of heat, whether heat can flow from a cold body to a hot body or vice versa. This is the main reason of a limitation of the first law. Conclusion: the first law of thermodynamics simply says that the amount of energy in a closed system remaining the constant. This is the main conclusions of the first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics, regardless how it is changed or it is moved around, the add energy to a system, it needs to come from the someplace else. This is the main conclusions of the thermodynamics. In a first law of thermodynamics, it gives basically themes of the conservation of energy, and it told that energy cannot be created nor be destroyed, but it can be changed from one form to the another form. But if you go about the limitation, it limit into the not giving the any direction and not giving any particular positions where the heat is transferred from hot to cold or cold to hot. And there is another limitation. There is no way of about the heat is transfer want to transfer about the low to high. There is a restrictions about the first law of thermodynamics. Thank you. Tomorrow I will discuss about the first law of thermodynamics applied to a flow system.